front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Now tap on Lock Screen and enter your current login method to continue. Finally, choose face recognition, hit Continue, and tap on Register. Following that, you need to keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions from your screen, and wait for 100% mark. Then you can manage all of those options however you want to, but make sure this one, Face Unlock, is enabled. Without it, you won't be able to use face recognition to unlock your Samsung. So when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on, and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!